So we have a LED light here. They give you some nice gloves. And when you're handling these, it's probably a good idea to wear these. Because anytime you deal with headlights and stuff like that, you don't want to be getting any kind of grease from your fingers on them. So these are not just for show. They actually have a purpose. Because you as a human are very greasy. There's some instructions. And then inside of here is our LED light for your car. Now this is the model H7. This is the type Z10. So this model of this type of bulb is the H7. And you can see that it has an LED cluster here and an LED cluster here. So it's not a forward-facing LED cluster. This would be something that would be inside of something that has a mirror dome around it, and it would shine off of that and then shine out. These are the Terminator light bulb replacements for your vehicle. This one is the H7, and you can see all of these different types that you can get for your vehicle. Now these again are LED light replacements, and these are direct replacements. These are not HIDs or anything like that. So basically what you have is a direct replacement. You can see that the notches are interesting, just like all light bulbs have them, because that's how you basically differentiate the back end to make sure that you're not going to put the wrong type bulb in. And of course, they'll come with just the regular clip-ons like you have for any other light bulb, and you'll see that there are two LEDs and one on that side. And the benefits of doing the LEDs is that you want to make sure you use these in as a replacement for a filament bulb, because they're a lot brighter, they're usually a lot more sturdier, and they can take a lot more abuse than a regular bulb can. Plus, the LEDs have a longer life to them than a regular bulb. So if you're looking for a replacement, I would definitely recommend taking a look at these. These are very high quality. I can feel the weight of these things have some heft to them, and they just look high quality. So if you're looking for a new bulb, you might want to take a look at these guys. So I would check them out.